Oh boy, somebody shot me.
LMG mark, never mind.
I think it's from the loadout that looks like.
Okay. Where are we getting this?
My money's down there already.
Oh,
Copy cash drop.
Do you need my money?
yes please.
Yeah.
Another 41 hundo would be good. Okay. We should just go. We can just go, I don't know, what do we want to do? Overkill, not overkill?
I said ghost maybe.
Yeah, because our loadout's already there, so I'm gonna go ghost.
Yeah.
We're gonna make our way to that fire station again? The loadout?
Got MP5. I took Ghost. I got an MP5 that I picked up off a player, and it's got a 30-round magazine. It's straight. What's the go with that? Is it a different ammunition or something?
10 millimeter, I think. Parabellum.
So it's more damage.
Yeah, but probably, yeah, not as good. I've got no ammo. 60 rounds in my crowd, that's it. Oh, Chopper just left.
Mark the helo.
That's a
Oh,
contraband.
it's contraband, yeah.
Oh, I'm not using it.
Oh, I'll take some. That's where you died.
Yes, it is. Oh, my shit.
Oh, heartbeat. 50 meters to our north.
Oh, straight ahead,
This
straight
way?
ahead.
Extra lethal here.
Fuck him up. Is he down?
Oh shit, to the right, to the right. Over this way.
Movement.
Behind us! Lifing.
Fix yourself up.
I broke him.
Shit.
Ah, he's broken.
Toast.
Can't shoot for shit.
Oh shit.
We lost that one.
Shit.
Probably should have just... Yeah, he's in the worst spot ever.
Yeah. I'm good for one more if you guys are.
Yeah, I can do one.
Fudge. I blame going on port exclusively.
Yeah. Did anyone get the actual chest?
You did, I think, didn't you? Or some? No.
No.
No,
I've
you-
already
No,
got it.
I got a jump scare.
What a waste.
What? What do you need?
How's my conversion rate to kill? Good. I've had...
What? Okay, Matan, give her her shoe back. These kids.
Yeah?
Yeah, what?
I'm just talking to Yeah?
Yeah, what?
I'm just talking to mom. Look at that success.
Matan, come put your clothes on, bud.
Oh.
Okay, put yours on. Take this off. Come on. You look ridiculous.
But it did look cute. You wanna go
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Hello?
Hey, I'm just waiting for my train at Temple.
Okay. How was work today?
It's okay.
Just okay?
And I'm very non-productive. I had BS day.
I figured it would be. Just like calling guys like you off in a bit.
Yeah.
Is it usually anything different to that?
Huh?
Is it usually anything different to that when you're at work?
Yeah, well, the difference is we ate lunch and had alcohol.
Oh.
What's the only difference, really? And a couple of meetings.
Right,
Enemy
right.
soldier incoming.
But Byron's like, what's in the office? I'm like, at all. It's like, me too. He said, why don't you come in next week? I said, no, I need to work out who this A and B group is.
Oh, when's that starting?
I don't know, ASAP? I don't care. I don't give a shit.
Training is over.
Oh,
Time to
dear.
see what you have learned.
I would like to just come in once a week, the day that I nominate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah. So I think Patro's gonna get picked up tonight, so.
Yeah, you said
Mark a
that.
drop point
You
for your
said
team.
that.
You'll lead them in.
Copy your mark.
Avoid the gas. Get to the safe
They've had a
zone.
tubby, they're dressed. They've had a tubby, they're dressed. She's ready to go.
So
She's got her
I'm
shoes on.
going to get to Pennant Hills and then I'm gonna catch the Uber home.
Okay.
I don't know why. Well, I mean, I'm gonna visit my work, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna train.
Well, you have an hour on the train for it to sober up.
Gonna land out the
So,
back.
I don't have anything. I'm just probably like, I don't know, 2
Hunt the enemy down.
You've had how much?
Probably 10.
What happened?
Huh?
What have you? How many have you had?
Probably about 10.
Oh. Yeah, no, you're not. Yeah,
Well, because
okay.
they're double. They will double the glass.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah. So there's 2 drinks. I'm assuming that 2
Am I
drinks will
armor
shot
on me?
drinks each glass. I had about 4 of them on one small one.
Yep. Okay. Never mind.
So, I know, but I can't believe my car there.
Ah. Could try to get it. No, can't really get it later.
I can get it, no, I think I'm getting to the train, so I'm already on the train, waiting to go to Pennant Hills, but I think that's, I'm gonna get to get to Pennant Hills at 8:47.
Yep.
Allied UAV overhead.
So I don't know. If she's picked up by then and you guys are away, come and get me before. Otherwise I'll just try and find a Uber.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hostile dropping into
I guess it
the
matters
area.
if she's
Watch
picked
the
up, right?
skies.
Yeah.
So the one in the building.
No, I've never really it's like driving home.
Oh, good.
Yeah, he's probably had like 5 or 6 beers or something. I don't know. I just don't like to drive and stuff.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just don't think it's worth it. But I don't want my car broken into.
Well, yeah. I mean, there's no good way to do
That's it.
that.
I backed outside the house too, but I don't know. I'll do Pennant Hills. Probably no better. I wouldn't park my car at Cherrybrook either.
Well. Yeah.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
You're fine. I got you.
It's always gonna in the morning, I guess.
On me.
It's still there.
I hope it will be.
Huh?
Target right here.
So I hope it will be. Yeah.
Guess what? So
What
I
did you-
searched someone up, and guess what?
What?
What is Zali Let's Play real name?
Uh-huh.
Zara, birthday
Station
September
identified.
24, better known online as Zali Let's Play, is an American Roblox YouTuber. She was originally born in California,
Oh shit!
United States,
On me,
and
on me!
moved to England. United
Holy shit, I thought it was one of you guys.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight
Sure.
for a chance to redeploy. The gas is moving.
Daddy, can you touch my iPad?
Yeah, I'll charge it for the bed.
It's dead.
Okay. We'll talk. Call me when you're like 10 minutes away, baby, and I'll see if she's still here or not. Okie dokie.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Alright, sorry, I'm off now. Yeah, it's charging, bud.
Your teammate
Oh,
has failed.
fuck off.
Return to the base.
Let's get into the buy and get him back.
There was that one guy just cruising around. You hear Spec? Spec, you moved.
Nah, I can't hear him.
Yeah, sorry, I was here. Been talking away. Yeah, he's inside doing a recon.
Oh, I ran past him. I thought it was one of you guys because no one was talking. I'm like, oh, they must be just by me, and I ran straight
It'll
past
be
him.
his mates in the helicopter, I would say.
Yeah.
Another heli.
Now they're going away, I think.
Oh shit. Sniper on the roof.
Oh, it is. Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
The whole team murked me after I murked their mate.
Oh, behind you, Jen.
Oh shit.
Never mind. Moving.
Broke him.
I got guys just
I have no idea
taking
where he
shots
is.
at me.
Surviving earns them redeployment.
Can't see
Oh.
shit. Oh, f-
Ah, they're behind me. Fucking people everywhere. Oh,
two
there's different
teams.
teams as well.
Stand by.
Yeah, people don't.
no way. Bullshit.
Obviously had loadout.
Oh,
Yeah, they did,
his-
yeah.
Yeah, the footstep shit.
Gulag now. Fight
Of course he saw me.
Oh. Where do we go?
I did find my loot in TV, so at least that was one productive thing of it.
The fight
Ah,
has begun.
fine.
Up next, get ready.
You could do a contraband actually.
Win
You
this
get
fight,
tons
you
of money
return
for
to the
them.
front line. But if you
Hang on,
lose,
one
you're
second.
done.
I think you get like $1,300 for a contraband.
Back to base with you.
Oh,
Your team can pay for your release if they have the money. Your teammate has been marked as most wanted. Keep them protected.
Yellow vehicle. No, yes. Contraband, yeah, it does give bogo bucks.
Maybe just like head out that way.
Oh, you just float.
Yeah, you're like flying on my screen.
I'll be driving.
Puma.
Role playing as a train.
Yeah, until the end of the map.
Imagine if that was the Thomas song you had as your horn.
I was watching a
loadout.
solo streamer earlier who
Yeah.
was in the final circle and he was driving one of these around and he ran 2 people over in like the last 5.
The last 5 over.
Like he ran two of the last 5 over.
Wow.
One tried to hide behind the riot shield, and the
Oh,
other
God.
tried to hide behind deployable cover.
Oh, what? Were they in the open really bad?
It was sort of like hills where like all those houses and stuff are.
Yeah.
But it was
yeah.
fairly wide open. It
ah,
wasn't.
squad.
Oh, yep.
Oh, shit.
Go. They're going for their loadout, obviously.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh! Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's more, there's more, there's more, there's more. Keep going, keep going. Car coming, car coming. Oh my god.
Drive. Squad wiped. As a kid.
I'm gonna save that and send that to you, dude.